Definition of the word.
Railroad.
Noun.
A permanent road consisting of fixed metal rails to drive trains or similar motorized vehicles on.
Example.
Many railroads roughly follow the trace of older land and/or water roads. The transportation system comprising such roads and vehicles fitted to travel on the rails, usually with several vehicles connected together in a train. A single, privately or publicly owned property comprising one or more such roads and usually associated assets.
Example.
Railroads can only compete fully if their tracks are technically compatible with and linked to each other. A procedure conducted in haste without due consideration.
Example.
The lawyers made the procedure a railroad to get the signatures they needed.
Railroad. Railroad.
Railroad. Railroad.
Railroad. Railroad.
Railroad. Railroad.